Okay, so here is my braid pattern. These are my 2 anchor braids right here. This is what I'm going to sew on, and this is how the back looks. This braid right here is what I'm going to use as leave out. It's optional, you don't have to, but just in case I want to put it up in a ponytail, this is what I'm going to use. So now I'm going to take my wig cap, put it on. I also took my edges out, as you can see. So it's an old wig, so I just need a quick hairstyle. So took this. It's a deep wave curly, but I blew it out and brushed it out and everything. We're gonna style it, don't worry. So now you see the wig cap, and see how it's blending already. So the braids are right here. Gonna part that out. Part that part out. And I'm gonna be doing the middle part, so I'm gonna get that out the way. And I'm not gonna sew too close to the middle part because you don't want that to be seen. Go sideways, and before you pull that all the way through, wrap it 1, 2, 3, and this is gonna create the first knot. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. Said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See my days are cold without you, like you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back. See my days are cold without you, like you. So this will be my last one on the side. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all. So this is where I messed up at. You're supposed to tie it over both strings, not just pull it through one. And this is how I got the string tangled. So learn from my mistake. Okay, now to do this side. So I'm gonna take my thread again like before, and I'm gonna pull it so I know that it'll be tight. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. And so this is the thread, and then this is how the front looks. I didn't really mind putting the thread here because I don't really put my hair up like that, but I will put the foundation there as well. This is how we looking. Next video is styling.